Colombian Mines is a venture-listed public company. We trade under the symbol CMJ on the Venture Exchange. We are exclusively focused on exploration and development of high-quality mineral projects in Colombia. The company has today the largest portfolio of high-quality mineral projects in the junior sector of Colombia-focused companies. Colombian Mines has a number of projects. The main project we're focusing on right now is El Dobio. It's a gold-rich polymetallic system. We have up to 104 grams gold in outcrop. And we anticipate receiving the drill permits for that literally within a week or two here. Once we receive those, we'll start building the drill platforms and move on into drilling, toward the end of March, April, somewhere in there. And another major project that we'll be working on this year is Mercedes. It's a large, high-grade epithermal system. We have outcrop samples there running over 50 grams gold and 700 grams silver, plus about 26% copper. In addition to that, Teck Resources is joint venturing into Uramalito. That's a very large gold porphyry system on the Cauca Belt. We have drill intercepts there in excess of 250 meters over a half a gram. Colombia has a lot going for it. It's the oldest, most stable democracy in South America. It's the only Latin country that's never been overthrown in a coup. It's also one of the only Latin countries that's never nationalized any private assets, foreign or domestic. And it's one of the only countries in the world that has a foreign investor protection clause embedded in their constitution, where all investors are guaranteed to be treated equally with Colombian investors. So that's a real anomaly. The other thing that really makes Colombia an exciting place to explore is that before the big mines in South Africa came on stream, Colombia had produced 35% of all the gold mankind had ever produced in all of its history. So it's a very richly endowed mineral, or very richly endowed region in the world. It has the world's largest coal mine. It's I believe, the second largest ferronickel producer in the world, produces 95% of the world's gem-grade emeralds, just on and on and on. And in terms of modern exploration, Colombia is almost untouched. Literally, historically, I have managed projects here in Canada that have more drilling than the entire country of Colombia had when I first started there. So it's an exciting area to work in. Colombian Mines has a kind of a first mover advantage. I've been working in Colombia since 1992. That gives us a lot of background, a lot of experience in the country. We first formed the company in 2006 in advance of the rush to Colombia that followed. And we, as a result, we have a very large pipeline of very high quality projects like El Dobio, Mercedes, and Uramalito. In addition to those three, we have 26 other projects scattered throughout the country, all that are very highly targeted quality projects that we'll get around to. So, for Colombian Mines, we're not just a one-horse show. We had a lot of projects that we can work on. We have a number of joint ventures. We have the one with Teck. We manage that joint venture. We also have another joint venture with Arcturus Resources and a third with Columbia Crest. And there are several more companies that are negotiating for joint ventures with us right now. Well, 2013, we're going to be drilling very aggressively at El Dobio, and we're going to be doing a lot of field work at Mercedes, a lot of channel sampling. I believe we'll see a lot of very exciting both drill results and surface sampling results come from both of those projects. And then within the next month or two, we'll also start drilling at Uramalito with Teck. Colombian Mines is carried for the first $10 million there, so we're likely to see quite a bit of drilling kick off at Uramalito as well. And those will really be the three big driving forces behind our stock price. Fantastic. I think with some good results at El Dobio, we'll see a very rapid share appreciation. Basically, invest in the people, not the projects. That's an old truism, and it's true in virtually any company in any industry. Bad management can ruin almost the best project in the world.